Good morning, guys. I'm out here in a small local lake. Starting off with a chatterbait this morning. A little dark, sun ain't up yet. Getting some marks down here in the bottom. Figured I'd throw it around this area real quick. I'm gonna try to use that 6 cents glide bait I had success with on the other day. A lot of weeds right here though. Chatterbait kind of pulls through most of it. I'm gonna see if these fish are pushed out here. We're getting some bigger marks towards the top, so there's gotta be something up in here. They're not down here at the bottom, it looks like. I don't know if they'll hit this chatterbait or what. Water was pretty clear. But we'll see if we can get it through the piles of tall grass that are out here and some clumps of grass on the top. See, we got some big marks down there, so that's definite big fish below me. See what happens if I drop this down there. Will it hit the bottom? There's some big marks down there. I never really jigged a chatterbait. Usually just crank it, but I might want to hit it. No, I didn't see no followers either. We are getting some big marks down there. So I might have to go to a Texas rig, paddle tail. Then again, I'm going slow. It could have been perch. When you go slow, it makes your marks bigger. Seems like. I'm sure there's something out here though. A little bit of a breeze. Water temp is 79.9. Say, we'll just say 80. Water temp is 80 degrees. Man, I don't know if these guys are up shallow or what. It is early. I don't know if they're out here in the morning time before the sun comes up or if they're not, but I usually do get them out here during the when the sun's up. Oh, there's one. There's one. We got one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a pretty good one there. He was down in the grass, it looked like. We're just gonna flip him. There we go, guys. Ow, first fish of the morning on the old chatterbait. Got this guy cruising. That was like about my 5th cast, I think. So, chatterbait from Parsons Lures works. Let that guy go. We're just using this black and blue, and it's got a, I think it's a Gary Yamamoto trailer right here. I think that's who makes that trailer. It's a nice trailer though. Works pretty good with that. Yeah, we're gonna keep fishing around out here. There's like a drop off over there. Maybe that's where they're hanging out, on that drop off. Maybe they're not out here in the deep yet, but we'll keep trying. But I know one thing, I didn't let that go down too far at all, so chatterbait feels a little unchattery right now. I don't know why. Maybe it landed in some grass. It just started chattering as it came up to the top. See if there's any more over where that one was. Oh, jeez. They're right near the surface, guys. Ugh. Oh. That one didn't even hit the water, felt like. Ugh. He's down in the grass. He's got a couple with him. Ugh. Come on over here, buddy. You're not even big, but man, you're fighting like a freaking 8-pounder. Look at that, fish number 2, guys. Nice. We're on to him. Look at that. Fish number 2. Sweet. All right. Let's see if we can get this chatterbait to get some more. That's probably why I wasn't chattering good. That stupid thing was up there. All right. Well, let's try this. See if there's any more chilling out over there. Must be some bluegill over there feeding up on. That was cool though. I didn't even, that just like barely hit the water. I thought I was stuck on some grass on the surface, but she was pulling back, so. That was cool. That was cool. We're getting in there a little close, so we're gonna back up. Probably get him with the glide bait through there, because there really ain't much much grass. A couple little spots it looks like. Might be able to whip that glide bait through there. Let that drop a little bit. Pull some grass off of it. I love back-to-back casts with fish. It's always cool. Let's try over there. Kind of span it out a little bit here. Well, maybe they were the only 2 swimming in that little group. Not really sure. Oh yeah, we're getting up here kind of high. We got to go back the other way. Keep my eye on that white birch tree that's way over there on the shoreline. If I go past it, I know I'm in the shallower. Obviously I can look at my fish finder, but I just like going by that tree. It's right where that tree to the left is like the drop off. All right, we're gonna keep throwing the chatter and throw around a glide, see if we get anything. Crappie. Just got a crappie on the glide. This guy is hungry. He thinks he's getting away, but look at this guy. That's a nice crappie right there. Hopefully we don't get a hook in our fingers here. Well, without destroying this guy's mouth, I gotta end up putting a pair of pliers on him here. Don't want to destroy your mouth, fella. There you go. Now you're down to just 1 hook. Oh, look at that. There's a nice slab. Could have been a dinner. Now he's back on 1 hook. He's off. That was a nice crappie for sure. On a freaking 5-inch glide bait. That's serious. There's a little guy on the glide bait. Oh, he came off. Kind of yoked him too hard, I think. Came off. Dang. First fish I lost, but he wasn't big. Could tell he was real small. I'm on some grass. Oh, got it off. Let's see if we get another fish over there. Maybe a bigger one. Let it sink a little bit. This is a slow sinking glide bait, so I can let it chill for at least probably a minute and only go down maybe, I don't know, 2.5 feet maybe. Can't let it go down too far. There's a lot of grass down there, but I was seeing marks 2 to 3 feet under the surface. Just got sprayed in the face, but seems like, you know, reeling it up near the surface anyway will call them up because of that knock. So I was going up shallow. I wasn't getting any bites, so I figured I'd come back out this way. Might go back to that chatterbait. Seemed like I got a lot of bites on that one. Plus with the chatter, it sinks quicker. So probably switch back to the chatter real quick. See what happens. Oh, he was just down in the grass. Oh, that's a long one. That is a long one. Yeah. Gotcha, buddy. Chatterbait. Yeah, these guys are right around that 1.5, 1 3/4 pound mark. There's got to be some bigger ones out here. 12 feet. We'll keep trying. There's got to be more where he was. Last time I was here, I noticed they were definitely grouping up a little bit. Might have got 2 or 3 in a little pod or a little school. Oh, what the hell have I got? Oh, please don't be a pike. Oh, fuck. Oh, what the? It is a pike. With a lot of grass. I was like, what the hell? I got a log? Stupid ass pike. Alright. I'm pretty sure I've caught you before. You sons of bitches like to take my chatterbaits. Yeah. A nice pike. Not a bad size. They do put up a good fight. That is for sure. Holding up good. I didn't get my line either, so haha, not today. Slime dart. Alright. And we got something on the chatterbait. I didn't even see it when I jumped out of the water. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Ooh. Not happy at all. Rip and drag. Wow, that's the biggest one of the day. Hooray. What's up, big girl? What are you, about a 2.5-er? Oh, come on. You're not that big. You're just short and fat. Yep, short and fat. That's how they be in here. Gone. Chatterbait. I'll switch back to it. I don't think I'm gonna switch it again. What the head shakes? That's a pike. Whoa. He ain't happy either. That's the biggest pike I've seen in here. Whew. Gave me a bath. Oh, get in there. That's a good pike. Oh, okay. Definitely not happy. Man, look at that thing. This is the biggest pike I've got out of here. I don't know what the hell he did with this hook, man, but yep, that's what you get for doing all the flailing. There you go. It is wrapped around your tooth, your lip. Goes that way. I'm gonna have to change that hook. That's not a bad pike. Not for in here. It's pretty good. He's gone. Definitely gonna have to change this. Oh yeah, the whole line. He got the whole line messed up. All right. Well, we're gonna retie. I think I have a fishing grass here, like a lot of grass. I don't even know what I got. Oh my god, that's a freaking tank, dude. Don't lose you. Please don't lose you. Did I lose you? Oh man, I did. Oh, that was a tank. Oh, man. Why? That was a freaking tank too. Damn it. Oh, that sucks. It was so deep in that grass. Damn it. That sucks. That was a big one. Oh my god. Oh, I got another one over there. Oh yeah. This one's smaller. Fuck. Why does the big ones always gotta get away? Dang it. This one ain't that small, but we'll take her. We will take it. It's been a while. Oh. This one's feisty. Oh. Man. That was a tank I just lost, but we'll take this one. Happy to get you fed. Thank you. Let's see if there's any more over there before this wind destroys our position here. Man, that was a freaking tank I just had on there. That would have been the lunker of the day. Thought I lost it way earlier. Let the pressure go. I think that's what screwed me. They're over here feeding up in this corner. Huh. Yep. They are. Come on. Don't shake me. Get out of the grass. Get out of the grass. Looks like I found a little school. Been about an hour since I caught one. Now we just had 3. But this grass is so thick over here, guys. It's like it's almost impossible to keep that right amount of pressure on them. And damn it, I lost my tail. Zaco trailer lasted for a very long time. It's all right, I got more. We're gonna get out of this spot. We're gonna go out that way. I got a feeling these guys are under me. And this way here, I'm not pulling them through all that grass. I can pull them out away from it. Hopefully, that's the plan. There we go. Got a new trailer on there real quick. Let's see if they're out this way too. out this way. See if there's more in there. I gotta keep it going fast because I'll get caught up in that grass if I don't. Like that. Oh no, that's a fish. Oh, they're all down here in this corner. Awesome. Found you guys. Man, I can't believe how hard they pull. Ah. Stop jumping, jerk. Why are they pulling so hard? How are they so strong? That's a long one. Longer one. Oh. Oops. I keep doing that with the button. That's a good one. That is a good one. Probably closer to 3. Look at that. Nice fatty. Alright, let's get more. My line is getting shredded. I hope I don't break off. No, it ain't that bad. Okay. Let's get in there. Wind's blowing, so I guess it would make sense that they are over there. It's blowing that way. But I've never really seen this lake predict where the fish would be because of the direction of the wind. It's a small lake. It really doesn't pertain to these guys. Usually, I don't know, I could be wrong, but oh no, we're in the water bottle. I got just blasted through that school real quick. Or I'm in it again. Can't really tell. Why does it always seem like when I get into the fish, wind screws me up every time? See if there's one over there. And we got one more out of that corner. Small one. Feels like it. Not bad. Oh, it came off. Oh. Easy there, Pilgrim. You got hit by a turtle. Oh, Jesus. They're so strong in here. Stop it. Oh, God. I can't believe how strong these little fish are, dude. It's like they're fighting like freaking 6-pounders. I ain't lying when I say that either. I just threw one out in the middle for the hell of it. This is a little guy. What is this? Oh, little baby one. Little baby ones are out there. Out in the middle. Oh, I hooked them in the bottom lip. Sorry, friend. Little guy's fat. They're eating up out there too. See if there's any more out there with that guy. Bunch of seaweed stuck on my rudder. Right over here, there was a huge splash. It's actually to the left more, but I don't know. See if we can get something over there. Sun's trying to come out. There's one. Oh my God. We onto them, boys and girls. Oh, they're digging deep. Digging deep. Don't be a pike. Don't be a pike. Come on, don't be a pike. Come up at it, a salad. Oh my God, is he in there? What the frick? He's got half the lake with him. Oh, I ain't gonna lose this one. No. I'm not gonna lose this one. I'm gonna scoop this whole thing. Oh, he's just a little guy. Dang, you're in there though. Oh, that's not a little guy. That's a pretty good one. Oh. Half the freaking lake with you, dude. Oh. My Lord. You guys are tiring me and this old man out. Oh, look at that. Wow, that little guy fought like a freaking 6-pounder. My God. What's got into you guys? The heat? It is a little warm. 79 degrees over here. But I did see an explosion over there. That means they're feeding up. I gotta get this shit out of my kayak here. There's a lot of it. Oh man. Look at it all. everywhere. Oh, he shit in here? No, that's just salad. And we got another one. Not letting this one dig as deep. Oh, and he came off. No, he didn't. He's still on. Oh my God. What the freak? I could have swore that lure just flew out of his mouth. Wow. Okay. All right, big dog, I see you. Well, you choked it. I thought that freaking lure flew out of his mouth. That was crazy. I thought he was off. How wrong was I? Well, that was over there along the edge line. Dang. Oh no. I lost him. I got smacked as soon as I hit the water. There's some seaweed. Come on, get off of it. Nice. What's over there? Big old snapper turtle. Dang, he's big. His freaking head's the size of my fist. Oh my God. Caught Sigmund, a sea monster. Again, had another nice fish on there. Dug into that grass, got himself off. I'm left with a big bowl of salad. Hooray. Switched off to the lizard here because I beat the crap out of him with the chatterbait. I figured I'd throw a lizard. That one's got some shoulders on it. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, look at that freaking thing it's got growing on the side. Oh, you poor thing. What the hell is that? Ew. No freaking clue what that is. Look how short and fat you are. Let you go. That was gross. Thing had a big freaking tumor on it. I feel bad for it. Alright. The old June bug. Works. It works. Let's see if we get more. Oh. Went back to the chatterbait. I don't know what I got. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a freaking tank, dude. Oh my God. Are you freaking serious? My freaking heart's broken. Oh my God. It's always the freaking big ones, dude. Oh. Went back to the chatterbait. And we got a piker. There we go. I don't know what this is. Bass, pike. Feels pikey, feels bassy. Pikey. It's a pikey. Oh, you got out. That's cool. Thank you. That's cool. pikey. Well, forgot to turn the GoPro on for this one. Kind of been a dry spell. But yeah, it's a nice bass. Pull them out of these weeds. They're still up in there. Alright guys, we kicked some butt today. My forearm is friggin' smoked from yanking all that freaking fish through the grass and the lure through the grass, and just had enough. I've been out here for about 6 hours. Did really good. A lot of it was just on this black and blue chatterbait from Parsons Lures and Zayco trailer. The bluegill in here are pretty thick, so that's the main forage of the bass. So I decided to stick with the black and blue. It's always worked good in here. So other colors do too. As soon as you throw a little bit of red in there, it seems like the goddamn pike just can't leave it alone. So I got away from the red. But I hope you guys had a good time. And if you want to see more of this, hit the thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you. Have a good day.